Welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to find list of ringtones and change ringtone on phone Xiaomi 17 Ultra. First of all, go to the settings. Now sound and vibration, ringtone, pre-installed ringtone. Here we can see all pre-installed ringtones. Now let's come with all possible options. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press like button below the video.